Have I got a fun lesson for you today? Because we're talking about dating and phrasal verbs. Two of your favorite things, right? Right. Phrasal verbs, yay! So much learning, so much fun. Yay, English. Woo! Sorry, I'm done. Today we're talking about dating and phrasal verbs, and the reason I chose this category is because, well, first, it's fun. Who doesn't want to talk about dating? But second, is because one of the best ways to learn phrasal verbs is by putting them in categories. Otherwise, phrasal verbs can get a little bit confusing. And if you're finding them difficult, don't worry, you are not the only one. And they're difficult because we have to memorize them and the meaning can change depending on what preposition we're using. Putting them in a category like dating makes it a lot easier to remember. So we're going to learn about these and we're going to practice them together. Are you ready to have some wonderful English fun with some beautiful phrasal verbs? Let's go. Number 1, ask out. And usually we ask someone out. To ask someone out means to invite someone for drinks or for a movie or for dinner because you are interested in them. You want to have a relationship with this person, so you ask them out.
You're asking me out?
You're asking me out?
He asked me out.
Somebody ask you out?
I can't ask her out because if I ask her out, I'm asking her out.
Number 2, to go out. Now, to go out means to date someone and have a romantic relationship with them, to spend a lot of time with this person. Basically, when you're going out with someone, it means you are dating this person. You are boyfriend, girlfriend kind of situation.
Are we going out?
Why would anyone go out with him?
Did she go out with him?
What? You're going out with her again?
I think that we should stop going out on dates.
Now I guess they're like going out or dating or something.
He asked her out and she wanted to go out with him.
Number 3, hook up. Now this one's a little bit more informal because if two people hook up, it's usually when they're just starting a relationship or they're in that stage before a relationship and they're just kind of getting together. I don't know how to say this without sounding sexual. When two people hook up, it's very open, it's very casual. They're starting a new relationship or maybe it's the beginning of a sexual encounter.
We hooked up and...
You hooked up with Jan?
You hooked up with Camille?
Your boyfriend and I hooked up.
I'm telling you, hooking up is easy.
I'm not hooking up with your sister.
I can't believe I'm the only one who didn't hook up while we were here.
Number 4, make out. Oh gosh, is it getting hot in here or is it just me? Just me? Okay, I'll calm down. To make out means to kiss and touch in a sensual, sexual way. That's what it means to make out. I'm such a child. I'm like always laughing at these.
Can we make out now?
Stop it! Stop making out!
Hey, Lois, want to make out?
Makes me at least a little enough to get with me. At the very least, I'll make out with her.
So, anyways, you guys want to make out or what?
Number 5, come on to. Come on to is to behave in a certain way that shows that you are attracted to someone and you'd like to have some kind of relationship, romantic relationship with this person. If you're coming on to someone, it just means you're showing them that you're interested. When Wes was coming on to me, when we first started dating, I thought he was the biggest dork ever because he kept talking about his socks and sandals and like that was supposed to impress me. I don't get it.
Men have been coming on to me left and right.
How many times has he tried to come on to you?
And he's coming on to your mother and...
I cannot believe you were still coming on to him.
You said you two were finished.
Number 6, to flirt with someone. To flirt with someone means to behave in such a way that you are showing that you are romantically interested in this person. This one's a lot of fun because it requires 2 people. It's about fun and engaging with a person. So you're kind of going back and forth in this fun, cute banter. You flirt with this person, the other person flirts with you. To flirt with someone.
You're flirting with me.
Was she flirting with me? I think she was flirting with me.
You flirted with Sherlock.
Girls flirt with a dangerous guy, Logan. You don't take him home.
Are you flirting with my wife?
Are you flirting with me?
Not at all. Are you flirting with me?
It depends. Is it working?
Number 7 is to break up with someone. This one's a little bit sadder because it means the end of a relationship. And this could also be found as split up with someone. So if you're trying to break up with someone, it means that you are done. This is the end. You are trying to end this relationship. You want to break up with a person.
They had a huge fight in Vegas?
They'll break up? Are we really breaking up?
They broke up. She moved away.
I am breaking up with you.
You're breaking up with me?
You are aware they broke up a few weeks ago.
Number 8, to get over someone. This one's a good one, and it just means to start to feel happy again after a relationship has ended. When you break up with someone, you're not the happiest person. You're probably sad and a little depressed, but as you get over someone, those feelings of happiness start coming back. To get over someone.
Come on, Lloyd, you gotta get over her.
Oh, Mabel. You'll get over him eventually.
It took years of intense, focused hatred to get over her.
I don't want to get over her.
I got over my breakup with Andy.
Oh, because I'm going to need a lot of happy to get over all this sad.
Pretty sure she never got over our breakup.
I hope you enjoyed learning these new phrasal verbs, and now it's time to practice them. Choose one of the phrasal verbs that we talked about today and write a sentence in the comments. If you're feeling adventurous, write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sentences, as many as it takes, because the more you practice, the better you will be. And this is especially true for phrasal verbs. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Number 1, ask out. And usually, number 4, make out. Is it get there? Why am I so awkward when I'm trying to talk about hooking up? Phrasal verbs. Yay! Dating. Yay! Sorry, I'm done.